Many people spend too much money when come to Canada, and even I do the same mistake. And I will show you how to save money when you come to Canada. Okay, I'll show you each and everything how you can save some extra bucks when you come to Canada for the first time. Right. See, this is the cloth section where you can find cloths. Some are new, some are used. So it's always up to you how you are looking for, like designer, or like suppose this is 80. With tax it will be around $20. Maybe in malls or showroom it will be around 40-45. So you will get in 50% price. You'll get a good product. And after you have thousands of other things to choose from. Okay, this is cloth section. This is a rain and long coats where you can get warm cloths. Okay, like this is rain and wind cheated jacket, heavy jackets. So when you come to Canada, you don't need to pack everything. Like, okay, this is around $250 jacket, Daniel jacket. Okay, and you are getting for $34.99. So imagine a quality like this. Easily you can save almost like $200. Easily, like good quality, nothing wrong here. So that's what I'm telling. You know what to do when you come to, like, you have to get cheap clothes, not very expensive. You have a book section, shoe section, so you can buy good product like, there is a Solomon shoes, Nike. There's so many shoes you can buy and look for. So it's like a way of saving some extra bucks when you come to Canada. Just to make your home beautiful, there's so many things you can buy here. Then there is kitchen items you will get, like plate, crockeries, cutleries, same with pots. There's so many things you can look for according to your needs. So that's how. When I came to Canada, I didn't know about this, and I spent lots of money. So yes, you can see a good quality espresso machine for $30. Including tax, it will be like $44. If somebody is planning to get a dress, you see this kind of dress would easily be around few $100, but here you can get at $50. So that's what, this is how people save money coming to thrifty store and buying things what they are looking for. And they have like huge selection of dresses, clothes and everything. Hope when I came to Canada, I should have knew about this. I should have saved too much money on this. And if you want to save money, you know what to do now. Go to any thrifty store and save as much as possible buying good products at cheaper price. Okay, and you know what to do now. You have to save to get tips and tricks in Canada to save money. Have a good day. Some thrift stores, they give discount on Tuesday. When I ask on the one of the associates, so they do like Tuesday when they come, so they will get good discount. And what you can avoid to buy. So what you can do is, like, when you look for something, always try to see as fresh as possible, not very old, not very used. When you buy clothes, just check if it's new or at least like less used. Same thing with furniture. When you buy, just see if it's not torn apart and not falling and not overused, no bugs. Okay, and try to get as much as discount possible. When I came to Canada, I didn't know about this kind of store where you can find cheap and good products. Sometimes you have to just look for, and so if you can save some money